everyone. So today we are going to do decoupage on glass bottle. So पहले हम यहाँ पर लगाने वाले हैं white color का gesso and meanwhile please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And moving on to this step, हमें अपना gesso को cover करना है complete bottle पे and we have to dry it. इसके बाद में अब हम लेंगे हमारा decoupage napkin. If you want, you can even use your decoupage papers also. And यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ brush water technique. You need to make sure that you trim down the design which you want, then just dry it quickly with your heat gun. Once this is done, what you need to do is you need to remove the plies. This is very important. After removing the plies, यहाँ पर अब हम use करेंगे हमारा decoupage glue or you can even use your Mod Podge. Apply it with the help of a brush and then you need to stick your decoupage napkins. Check out our collection on our website at growingcraft.com and order it now. Now moving on to our tutorial. So यहाँ पे I am using this decoupage napkin and I'm going to decorate this glass bottle, and you need to make sure that whenever you're doing your home decor, you need to stick your stuff very well because they are going to last long then. So after sticking my napkin here with the help of the Mod Podge or the decoupage glue, I will be moving on to the next step. But meanwhile, please do make sure that you check out our tutorials on decoupage and mixed media art on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and do share us your feedback in the comment section below so that we know which tutorials did you really liked. Now moving on to the next step is like you just need to press your napkins really well so that you do not have any wrinkles on your bottles, and once this is done you are good to go to the next part of the tutorial. So on the top of the bottle I am going to use this decoupage napkin. Again, what you need to do is you need to remove the plies of your decoupage napkin. This is one of the very important step of your decoupage art. Now again, with my decoupage glue or Mod Podge, you can pick any one of them, whichever you like. You need to stick your napkin and make sure that there are no wrinkles in your decoupage napkin. So there is another tutorial which I have already done on my YouTube channel in ways on how you can remove the wrinkles from your decoupage artwork and your nameplates and bottles. Do check that. And yes, just in case if you have still not realized, we do have a website growingcraft.com from where you can order all your decoupage supplies. So after this step, my bottle is already looking gorgeous, but we need to do some more drama. So of course हमारा napkin dry हो चुका है. Now here I have picked up two different shades of chalk paints. Now why do we need to use chalk paint? Because chalk paints dry completely matte and they look really good. And you need to make sure that you use your chalk paints of different shades according to the color combinations, whatever you want to choose. And here I'm using my earbuds to put this beautiful polka dots, and this bottle is already looking so gorgeous. Now once this dries out completely, yes, once this dries out completely, we are going to cover up our glass decoupage bottle with the massive varnish, and we are going to have at least good to two to three coats of varnishes in this bottle. So here our decoupage bottle art is ready. Thank you so much for joining. Take care and bye bye.